So you see a lot of the
Mugaru na hau kabere ya mwarimu ekereire coka nake murutwo karamu na ibuku maundu ni marikitie gucenjia kumana na gukura gwa technology karamu na mabuku igicenjanio na thimu na laptop cokore wariragia rimu maitho na gukininwo ni bodi cia gutumira internet ni kurumira mugaru kuma mathukuru moretio kwa gutigwo na thutha thi igicenjia amwe arutwo thiku ici marathayo kimathomo matuike anja cia mathina ma kimabũrũri undu uria utangikinyanira kugikinya matiko no rwega mari anini.
Believe in digital literacy. So we don't take technology just as a tool. We look at technology as a bridge towards the future. We have a model school here that is geared towards coming up with a 21st century child. Given that we are living in a digital tech world and nation, we believe that going forward, there is no way we are going to live without technology. And as educators, we have to be very sure, we have to be aware of what we are doing with these learners to prepare them just for the global market. We don't want to produce learners who will just fit locally.
As you've seen in the classes, promotes or enhances the fine motor skills of the learners. When they're interacting with those blocks, we really promoting the fine motor development.
As able to learn new things through technology, we're able to gain more knowledge. We're also able to get things happening in the outside world.
We get to explore and expand more on our technological, how we use technology in today's day and modern world. From in the classrooms where we use computers to interact and research on various things that we learn in class.
Ataaramu a githomo matongoretio ni James Otula kuma thukuru-ini wa Juja Preparatory na muruna wa Kigwariji Victor Omondi mahinyĩrĩirie teknoloji ni daraca ya mwanya ya kũringia arutwo nginyagia bũrũri wa ũgaacĩru mathomo-inĩ makĩhinyĩrĩria bata wa mathukuru kũgathĩka mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu o ũndũ ũmwe na kwandandũra gĩthomo kĩa arutani nĩguo mahote kũharĩrĩria arutwo wega.
preparing the children for the jobs of the future, and it is no longer about the future anymore, because the jobs you're saying about jobs of the future have already started changing right now. Technology is transforming the job market, and we are trying to imagine how many jobs are going to be rendered obsolete. But the good news is that even if many jobs are going to be rendered obsolete, but there are also opportunity for many jobs that are going to be created.
Just like the way the other countries are moving, the way Kenya and Africa should be moving. Because you find in our country, we are very reluctant in the use of technology. And sometimes we normally fear, we normally fear that if our kids are exposed to this technology, they are likely to get spoiled. But if you go to the other countries, you'll come to understand that they introduce their kids when they are very young to technology.
Maya MOKITE rĩrĩa arutwo mathiĩte na mbere na gũkenera njĩra cia kĩrĩu cia kũmathomithia makiuga nĩ mahotete gũkũrana maũndũ maingĩ makĩria thutha wa kũriũnga mĩtambo-inĩ ya internet. Arimũ nao makĩhinyĩrĩria bata wa arutwo gũthomithio gũtũmĩra kompyuta kuma mena natharĩ, gũthondeka roboti na gũthundũra indo ingĩ cia kĩrĩu. Mathomo maya makĩrĩkana nĩ mwanja ya mathĩna ma bũrũri na thĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mathiũ Ndung'u wa Mbũgua.